Hey shoppers, if you're looking for a generator, check this one out here. This here is the WEN 6800 watt inverter generator. It's dual fuel, gasoline here on the top. It's got your quick connect plug down here for your propane. There you go. Easy quick connect in. I'll show you actually here. It's almost like a air chuck. Pop it in. You're gonna hook this to your propane tank, push in, pops out. That goes there. It comes shipped with no oil, so when you get it, you're gonna have to put some oil in it. If you come over here to this side, it's got these two tabs, twist, pops this off. Down here's your oil. Put your oil in. Easy to put these doors back on. Come over here to your other side. Two tabs as well. This one's a little bit harder because you got the pull over here. You're going to connect your battery. It's going to come shipped, not connect. You're just going to connect these two pieces together. Pop the cover back on. There you go. It's going to come engine off. This is fuel off, run, and choke. We already choked it for the video, so we're gonna connect it to run. You can pull start if your battery's dead. Come back here to the front. It's got a bar, so you can pick it up and roll it around. It's got an extended bar, so you can, a little lighter, more leverage. Pop that back in. Coming into the front, voltage selection, so you can go 240 this side, 120 this side. All these plugs over here. This here is a L14-30R. It can go 120, 240. This here is like your standard RV, 30 amp. That one there is going to be for 240. You got your 120s over here. Let me pull this back up. You got your grounding nut. You can sink a grounding rod in the ground, connect it to this to prevent electrical shock. 12 volt phone charger. This here, eco mode. You can put an eco mode on or off to help reserve your energy. Resets, these here are all resets for each of these plugs. And fire it up. This here is if you want to link them. This here is if you want to link your generators together, so you can combine two of them together. Comes with a funnel here. Toolkit. You see here, it's going to tell you how much you're using on your amp meter. Right now we're at 0, nothing hooked up. They say you should run for the first 8 hours. For the first 8 hours, you should only run it at 50%. I forgot to mention, they do ship it with like an ounce short of oil. So after running it for a little while, you're going to have to add a little bit of more 10W30. And that's pretty much it. Check it out on Amazon. Happy shopping.